Dear guests from Asian Odyssey Travel, welcome to the Chongqing, this beautiful city. Okay, now it's the embarkation day. Let's go. First one, we see our senior. Yeah, welcome singing for everybody here.
So please, no, don't bring me down and say I can't, no. I don't understand the rule.
And now, for the procedure of embarkation day, firstly, we have the security to everybody. Let's keep. Okay, this is procedure for the embarkation. First one, we have check security. All your belongings and your suitcase, bags for this security machine. For the passport case, we have this face scan. So show your passport to our staff in this port. So this is the first procedure for the embarkation. Let's go next floor. Hello. Yeah, this is our entertainment team of our cruise. Yeah, our entertainment team too. Hello, 你好. Our guests from Asian Odyssey Travel. Let's embarkation this ship.
What's that?
Tower service for you for everybody. So once you board, next trip. Thank you. Now we have the ship tour to everybody. Let's go from lower deck to top deck. Let's go. Now we have arrived to the lower deck in our cruise. In the Century Theater here, let's to check the cinema. And we see this is place for our guests for the public place, for the movie time, lecture, cruise show, for the movie time for everybody for free. Nearly to the into cinema is for the laundry room for everybody for free. Let's go to main deck, gangway deck 1. Now we arrived at the recreation center for the massage. The popular massage for everybody here. You can see the different items with different price. Remember, we need a reservation here. Let's check the massage room here. For different massage, foot massage, and body oil massage to everybody. Let's check. Some guests they are enjoy their massage now. Let's check another one. Now we to the another aisle is for the mahjong room. It's mahjong room table for 2, and also the single mahjong room table. Now we arrive the gym room here. Level 6, some of the babies from the child they are playing there. Look, amazing the job they do are. They carry all your suitcase, your luggage from port, from outside to this ship. Hello, welcome to our lobby and the reception place. 24 service and duties for everybody here. Now it's for the first day embarkation day check-in. So you can see some more guests that are checking here with self-service, with also intelligent self-spirit check-in. Let's go. Great. Now we have to one of the dining room here. Deck 2 is one of the main dining room in here. So we can see the table, plenty of table here. Let's check. Also, we prepare some of the snacks for everybody here. Come for the welcome drinkings for everybody here. For some water and different snack dessert here. Yeah, let's take the buffet dessert station to everybody during the first day and the embarkation day. Through this double floor, so we can from second floor to the third floor. Let's go this way. Now we arrived at deck 3. Another main dining room here, also 200 guests. Our ship they are preparing the embarkation dinner for everybody. So this way we can have interview to another restaurant, hot pot restaurant. Let's go. Everything we are prepared here for the dessert area. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the special restaurant in the Voyage Cruise, the hot pot restaurant. Okay, as one of the popular restaurants in the ship, so this one will be very good for the family. Welcome to the photo center here. So in our cruise ship, our photographer will follow you to the outside of Sun Expo, take picture, so you can choose it in the photo center during our cruise time. Now we are arrived at the cabin for the room tour. Let's go. First one, the junior suite. The most popular cabin in our ship is family suite. First one, let's check the Hello Kitty here. Just another cabin is for the girls. How about for the boys? Welcome to the executive cabin here. And now we arrived to the Voyage suite. In the forward of the ship is for the place of the Sissi lounge. Welcome to the Sissi lounge. This is deck 4 of the Sissi lounge. All the snacks, the drinkings is for free for you. But also besides we have deck 3 of the Sissi lounge. Let's go this way. Welcome to the deck 3 of the Sissi lounge. The dressing of the Prince of the Sissi. You can see the show display here. And also the Western restaurant, another special restaurant for our suite guests. During our trip, our guests also can order or they can a la carte for the Western dining. Now, welcome to the outside, the outdoor of this lounge. In the forward of ship, there's the outdoor place. During our cruise passing to the gorgeous, this will be the best view. Let's go up. Now we arrived at the Kids Club here. Welcome to the Vista bar as the public place and entertainment for our guests for free. Also, just besides outdoor of the bars, we provide KTV, karaoke. Let's go here. Vista bar. Enjoy a happy hour in the Voyage Cruise. Welcome to experience the River Museum. And we can see this television here. We provide also the mini and television museum to our guests. Let's check. We can see the age, size, texture from different places. It's very funny and interesting, right? Welcome to experience. Let's go to the next boat. Don't worry about the shopping time. In our cruise, we provide plenty of the souvenirs for everybody. With Chinese dressing and some traditional Chinese snuff bottle. This we can see. Look, this panda is very beautiful, right? Okay, let's go to the outside for the opening day. The largest sun deck in the Yangtze River. Now we arrive deck 6 and deck 7, 2,000 square kilometers during our cruise for the sailing time and the first day in this Chongqing city. We have the many and plenty of the big events for everybody, such as the captain's party, and during our cruise passing the gorgeous time, we have the narration speaking by our guests for free. That's all. Welcome to the Century Cruise, everyone.